Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Homecoming. So guys, this episode starts off with Uvusi Ekseni. He is ironing his school uniform, singing laphayana ukuthi uthando lumshaya ngaphakathi. He's even dancing a little bit there. So uMaNkwanyana comes in, she's like, "Estate, usinekiswa yini Ekseni kangaka?" Uvusi then says, "Oh, Sisi, angikubonanga." uMaNkwanyana then says, "Yini, wenze njani?" Uvusi responds and then says, "Lutho." "Ukhuluma ngani manje?" uMaNkwanyana then says, "Hayi bo Vusi, I've known you since uyingane wena. Usasula amafinyela ngesandla and they would dry up on your cheeks. Angikaze nangelodwa ilanga ngikubona uzi-ayinela." Uvusi then says, "Abantu bayakhula, uyazi nawe." uMaNkwanyana then says, "Oh, uvuke ekuseni wabona ukuthi usukhulile wena." Uvusi then says, yeah, singasho kanjalo." And then uMaNkwanyana's mother walks in. She's like, "Kodwa elani ihaba?" She's laughing there laphana because she's seeing Uvusi uyazi-ayinela. She's like, "How? Halalela." Speaking to uMaNkwanyana, "Yabona lo, useqonyiwe ke." Uvusi like, "Hayi bo." Uma then says, "Ehena." Uvusi then says, "Yini lokho?" "Hayi bo, ayikho leyo nto ma." Uma then says, "Tshela mina ke, kungani izolo mengiqhamuka mina wafihla ucingo lwakho?" Uvusi then says, "Yikuthi angithanda ukukhuluma ngefoni phambi kwabantu abadala." Ahleka uma. She goes on to say, "Ngiyabona, ucabanga ukuthi ngizale izolo wena." uMaNkwanyana looks at Uvusi. She's like, "Sowukomile Vusi." Uvusi's like, "Cha. Futhi ma, I thought you would be glad that I now can iron my own clothes. Usungishaya ngecala kanjalo nje." uMaNkwanyana then says, "Kuyokusiza ke ukuthi usitshelwe before we find out for ourselves." Uvusi then says, "Hawu nkosi yami, ayikho intombi." Uma then says, looking at uMaNkwanyana, "Do you know what I think? I think it's Mkhize's daughters." uMaNkwanyana then says, "Ubaqaphelani?" Uma then says, "Ehena." uMaNkwanyana then says, "Akamdalanga kuwena Vusi." Uma then says, "Bayafanelana." Uvusi then says, "Yazini bantu abadala, let me go ngesikolweni, ayikho lento engi-accuse-wa ngayo lana. Nisaleni kahle." He leaves. Uma looks at her daughter, uMaNkwanyana, then she's like, "Ngiyakutshela wena ngiyiqiniso lo. Ukomele yantombazana." Next scene, girl, we see a police station. uMadlamini busy ngomgosi laphayana, guys. So she's busy xoxelaring her colleagues. She's saying, "Umuntu ulela kodwa umile emgaqweni akasabi neyimoto uhlewe laphayana, guys." She goes on to say, "He bawethu, ningisize, ningayibhemi lenyawo bawethu ngoba," as she's speaking like that, uSifiso angene uthuleke, guys, because I don't know if Usifiso is kind of their senior or what, but everyone just keeps quiet because they should be working. Usifiso then says, "Yini le?" He's carrying a file. Ukhuluma noMadlamini. uMadlamini then says, "Yini manje?" Usifiso then says, "Uyakhumbula ngithi ngicela i-report angithi?" Then one of the colleagues that uMadlamini was laughing with, he attempts to walk out. Usifiso then says, "Uyaphi wena?" uMadlamini then says, usho leyana ye-robbery yenzeke kwaDlangamandla Butchery." Usifiso then says, cha. "Uyakhumbula ngithi ngicela i-report yomjolo kayihlo benonyobo ukuthi kuhamba kanjani? Ufuna ngenze njani sibalikhulu? Ngoba ngiyabona la ekhaya sisebenza ngaphansi kwesandla sakho. How many days or weeks do you need ukuthi wena Dlamini sibalikhulu wenze into engicela ukuthi uyenze, which is actually your job?" uDlamini then says, "Manje nawe ke useyangihlafuna uhlafuna ikhanda lami, angisho ngishilo ukuthi ngizoyenza." Usifiso then says, "Angikuhlafuni. Yini? Umithi yini Dlamini?" She looks at him like to say, like, "Really?" Usifiso goes on to say, "Yini? Umithi yini? Or did you have a few drinks laphayana kwaShwabi Tavern ekuvimbela ukuthi wenze umsebenzi wakho?" She just looks at him, guys, and she just keeps quiet. uMike ke angene. I don't know ukuthi uMike uqhamukaphi. He then says, "Oh, Khathide." Usifiso then says, "Hayi bo, ufunani uMike lana? Mike, ufunani lana?" Because they are not a front desk. They are in one of those offices le a police station. uMike then says, ungenamuntu e-reception, so I decided to, as he's trying to finish his sentence, Usifiso then says, "Niyezwa? niyezwa ngithi? The other two colleagues ke they run back to front desk bashiya uDlamini laphayana. As they're running back to a front desk, uSifiso bashaya ngane file. He's like, nqa. uDlamini is busy laughing laphayana. uSifiso then says, when uSinekani, nibhizi ngendaba la Dlamini. Abo Mike bayazingenela. Sekuwashwabi la ekhaya. uDlamini just keeps quiet. uSifiso gives her the file. He's like, sisi mi? Umuhle yezwa? She starts smiling. He goes on to say, if uyaqala lo msebenzi, uyeke, uthole indoda la okhambeni, angakushada manje. Mawungangena la kwaShwabi, ungamthola umuntu azokushada. Uyeke lo msebenzi mangabe uyaqala. Awuhambe yosebenza ngma. And she just walks off nje kanjalo. Mike is left standing there, guys. He then says, Khathide mi. He gives Khathide a brown envelope. uSifiso goes on to say, uyabona nje Mike, if abantu abawufuni lo msebenzi abawuyeke. There are many volunteers. Zikhona ingane la ngaphandle eziqede umatric ezifuna ukuba amaphoyisa. How? uMike then says, ngaba konke kuhamba kahle, because listen, uSifiso is unusually grumpy. uSifiso then says, kuhamba kahle. uMike then says, ay, sengiyabona, uzethu. uSifiso then says, uzethu wenzeni? uMike then says, uzethu wonke lo. uSifiso then says, wenzeni uzethu? Ngibhizi la, uzongitshela ngaleyo nyoka leyo. Hey guys, uMike then says, lalela weKhathide. Phela uma ngabe ungakhulumi, you're going to snap at everyone from morning until evening. uSifiso then says, ngikhulume nabani Mike? Mese ngikhulumile bese kwenzakalani iyoshintsha ikhanda laleya ngane esicabangelayo. uMike then says, sekhona okwenzekile angithi. uSifiso then says, angazi ubani ozomtshela leya ngane leyana yakwaHlongwane ukuthi angisiyinsango mina. Beyo ngabe efuna ukudlala, iyodlala le kude. She must go and play with those men in the city where she was studying. Hayi la mina, angazodlalela la mina. uMike then says, Then uSifiso then says, waza ngikusize, ungaphinde uzingenele lana futhi. And then the scene just ends like that. Guys, the fact that uZethu is not taking this thing serious, and you know what? I get uSifiso's frustration. Ngempela, if she wants to play around and just sleep around, she must go do that with abanye abafana, not a man or not with a man who wants to, build with her in a respectful manner. Anyway, next scene get at Shwabi's tavern, guys. Ugcwele iy'thombe zikaNgazi ziqhonyiwe, guys. There's an X mark there on his face, and then lengaphezulu it's written not allowed. Unga angene kwaShwabi, guys. When he gets in there, everyone's looking at him awkwardly because he's not allowed in there. He sees izithombe zakhe ziqhonyiwe laphayana, and then he walks over to uShwabi. He then says, sawubona baba uShwabi. Bengithi mhlambe singathola ithuba ukuthi sikhulume. uShwabi looks at Unga. You can see ukuthi uShwabi ubhorekile, and he just keeps quiet. Unga goes on to say, bengifuna ukuxolisa nako konke. Bekungafanelanga ngenze lokho engikwenzile. Ngiyaxolisa. Cela ungixolele madlala. Bengu. Baba, bengisacabanga mhlambe ungangitshela ukuthi ngabuya nini ukuze nizosebenza la ekhaya. uShwabi looks at him. He then says, lalela la wena. Ngiphinde. Yezwa. Uphinde ubeke unyawo lakho lana. Ngizokwenza lokhu. He points towards the picture. Kaba, he's saying he's going to damage his face. He goes on to say, ngizokwenza lokhu. Ulobobuso bakho. Uyangizwa? Phuma la ethavenini yami. Unga just stands there, guys. Ulokhuzana uShwabi goes on to say, ngithe hamba. And Unga leaves nje kanjalo. Next scene, a few moments later, guys, Unga usendlini in his mother and his father's house. He's busy eating laphayana, watching TV, guys. And then there's someone who knocks on the door. Unga then says, ngena. Kanti uBracho, guys. uBracho angene quietly. Unga then says, ngithe ngena. Kanti uBracho is already in the house. He's just standing there, keeping quiet, waiting for Unga to turn his head. Unga then says, kanti yini? As he gets up, guys, and he turns around, he sees Upracho, and Unga is obviously shocked. Upracho then says, Iphi mali yami wena. Unga then says, kanti uwe bhuti. Upracho then says, ngifuna imali yami. Unga, guys, is trying to swallow. As he's trying to swallow his bread, laphana, Upracho just pushes him on the couch and heads towards the TV. Kaba, guys, because he can't get nyabazi ge abo mashonisa. Because Unga doesn't have the money, he is going to take the TV and he doesn't care who this TV belongs to in this household. Unga then says, yay. Wenzani, Bracho, he's busy hlebezaring there because he doesn't want uma wakhe amuzwe. Ubracho then says, nginesqiniseko sokuthi ukhona umuntu ozojabulela ukuthenga uTV ngo500 rand. As he's speaking like that, there uMashabalala is approaching. When she sees uBracho equbula uTV, she's like, hayibo, ye wena mfana, wenzani? Ubracho then says, ngiyasebenza lawe magogo. uMashabalala then says, usebenzani? Beka iTV yami phansi. Ho. Ubracho then says, unawo 500 rand, ngizokwazi ukudayisela wona njengamanje. uMashabalala then says, ungidayisela uTV wami emzini wami. Ubracho then says, yazini, nginezinto eziningi okumele ngizenze. Unayo imali noma cha? Nge-English bathini kambe? Bathi tick, tick, tick. Sihambi isikhathi. uMashabalala, guys, ayovula ikhabhodi aba ufihle imali yakhe laphayana. You can see ukuthi Unga is so irritated. Aba Unga doesn't want uma wakhe to take out a cent. Ulokhuzana uBracho then says, awuboni-ke, uyazikhuthuza. uMashabalala khipha imali, she gives uBracho. uBracho, and that time it's 100 rand. uBracho then says, 100 randi, 100. Okay, fine-ke. Ngizowuthatha okwamanje ngoba uphuma kuwena magogo. Kodwa ngizobuya lana. Yabona mengibuya, if I come back and don't get my money, khona uzokhaliswa wengane encane esanda kuzalwa. Ahleke, guys. He then says, Gunga, suka endleleni yami wena. Ngiyayifuna imali yami wena. And then he just walks out. Unga looks at his mother. At this point, Unga uyakhala, guys. His face is streaming with tears. Unga then says, ngiyaxolisa ma. uMashabalala then says, yeah. Awungiyeke wena. And then the scene just ends like that. Next scene, girl was there to lapayana at clinic. She is busy treating a patient. The patient that looks like he's losing his mind, guys. Hella earlier on, that patient came into a clinic, guys. He was threatening people's lives, and unokhuzana matron was saying ukuthi makubizwa amaphoyisa. Was there to like, no, please don't call the police. Ugula ngekhanda. Matron is convinced ukuthi ayikho leyo nto. He is just utsotsi that is making an excuse with mental health. So who's there to get? She gave the sister of this guy amapilisi, but the sister said he refused to gwinya la mapilisi. So who's there to end this scene is trying to convince uguy wakhona whose name is Umusa ukuthi agwinya la mapilisi so that he can calm down and stop hearing voices. So who's there to then says Musa, that time Musa, guys, is covering his ears with his hands. He's shaking, guys. Who's there to like, Musa, shisumoya, ngiyacela. Musa's like, shh, ngiyaxolisa. Who's there to like, ungaxolisi. Uyaba those voices that you're hearing, I can take them away, but only if you allow me to. Umusa's breathing heavily there, guys. Who's there to then says, nanga mapilisi, ngiyacela. Musa's crying laphayana. Who's there to then says, ngiyacela Musa. Umatron akabuyi lana. Aba, guys, Musa is afraid of umatron because umatron said she's going to call the police. Unokhuzana Musa then says, ngiyaxolisa. Who's there to then says, phuza nje kuphela bese uyaphumula. Angithi bese when you wake up ngeke uzwe lutho. These voices will be quiet. The sister kaMusa then says, Musa, uqinisile bantu udokotela mfethu, ngiyacela ngicela uthathe amapilisi. Who's there to then says, Musa, ngiyazi ukuthi unovalo, ngiyacela yehlisa umoya. Lawa mazwi ngiyazi ayabuthusa, kodwa you are a healthy young man. Angeke akulimaze mengabo ungavumi ngawe. Thatha amapilisi nanka. He takes them, guys. Uzethu like nazo-ke angikunikeza amanzi. She goes and gets water. She gives him and he drinks the water. Uzethu then says, Sisi, amandlethu, speaking to the sister, amandlethu ezikliniki aphelela la. nayi inamba yami. She wrote down inamba yakhe. She then says to the sister, kuzomela ukuthi nihambe isibhedlela azokwazi ukuthola i-assessment ephelele. She then says to Musa, Musa Kehla, lay down and rest, and the scene just ends like that. Guys, who's there to show the way she cares for these patients? Wow, guys. Anyway, last scene who's there to is at Kwashwabi's place, busy speaking to Unganake Umangob. So who's there to then says, Bengimtintelani nje, yazini, yazi angazi ukuthi bengabangani. Ulokuzana Unganake then says, uyazi, uyamthanda, vuma. Who's there to then says, iyona inkinga ke leyo, angimthandi. Usisi yangiasula mina, yazi uyangikwatisa nje. Upangisana nami ngayo yonke into. Ungenza nje ngifuna, yazi cha. Umangobo then says, ukwenzani? Ukuthatha unwimi and put it down his throat. Uzethu then says, sis, man, mthandeni. Ahleka umangobo. Umangobo then says, vuma, uyamthanda. Uzethu then says, uSifiso, uyangiphephetha. Ngiyakutshela. Umangobo then says, how? Sukela nini ke wena ubeliever emithini? Uzethu then says, ngizothini ngempela ngoba ngiakekile lana. Ungenza ngizizwe ingathi ngiyingane onomfundo laba. Umangobo then says, hayi ke, you better stop drinking, sweetheart. Mike then says, where Mangobo? Pupi yawani. As he's speaking like that, Uzethu obviously turns back to listen to what Mike is saying. When she turns back, now Ngiana Usifiso entering the tavern, guys. And as he enters the tavern, some lady approaches him and he's talking with the lady. Umangobo then says, Ngala iklasi yam zethu. Uzethu is not even hearing what Umangobo is saying because Uzethu is now focusing on the fact that there's a lady that Usifiso is speaking to and she's jealous, guys. She just takes her glass which has alcohol and she downs the alcohol nje kanjalo, and the scene and the episode ends there, guys. Shame. Nhliziyo kazethu is refusing to give her peace ngale ndoda uSifiso. It looks like uzogcina evumile uZethu because listen, what can she do with herself? Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.